Welcome to the Refractive Healing Deep Sleep audio track. This will allow you to calm your mind and body, allowing you to transition into sleep. If you need additional help with your sleep issues, please visit refractivehealing.com to book a free Reiki session. Before listening to this audio track, we ask that you sit or lie down in a comfortable position where you will not be disturbed. For best results, please listen with stereo headphones. Make sure that your body is in a comfortable position. If you need to stretch or shake out any excess energy in your body, you can do that now. Place your arms comfortably by your side and your legs uncrossed. In order to experience the best results of this audio track, we ask that you listen carefully and simply follow the directions. I want you to take a moment and flex all the muscles in your stomach region all at once. Hold it. Now relax every muscle as deeply as you can. Now close your eyes and keep them closed until I ask you to open them. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in, filling up your lungs with oxygen, and then slowly let it out. Take another very deep breath in through your nose, but this time hold that breath. Now let that breath out very slowly, and you can already feel your body start to relax. You will notice that the more your body relaxes, the more your mind can relax. With each breath in, you can feel a wave of relaxation. Every time you exhale, you let go of any stress and tension. You can feel all your muscles becoming loose and limp as you sleep, going deeper and deeper. Every sound you hear keeps you going deeper. The sound of my voice sends you deeper. So as I keep talking, you just automatically keep dropping down further. The deeper you go, the better you feel, and the better you feel, the deeper you go. It just happens. As your body relaxes, your mind follows. And every time you hear me snap my fingers and say the word sleep, you'll automatically drop down. Each and every time you hear it, it sends you deeper than before. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 up to 3. And on 3, you'll open your eyes. But as soon as you hear me snap my fingers and say the word sleep, you'll drop back down twice as deep as you are now. 1, 2, and 3, open your eyes and sleep. Right back down, twice as deep. That's right. Every sensation you experience drives you deeper and deeper into this wonderful state of relaxation. Just feeling so good, so amazing. And again, I want you to open your eyes on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Open your eyes, still feeling relaxed, and sleep. Right back down. Very good. One more time. 1, 2, and 3. Open your eyes to see. Sleep. All the way down. Deep. That's right. Deeper and deeper. No matter how deep you go, you know that you can always go deeper and you can always feel better. In a moment, I'm going to count from 3 down to 1. And as I count, I want you to allow the muscles in your body to relax deeper with each and every number I speak. 3, deeper and deeper. 2, your body going loose and limp. 1, feeling very, very relaxed now. Your whole body giving into this feeling and just melting as you continue to relax more and more. When you are this deep, your body feels such bliss, no pain, and every part working in perfect harmony. Your blood flows through your body, sending fresh oxygen to each part. Every beat of your heart sends you deeper as it remains at a steady pace. Feeling your muscles go limp, loose, and relaxed. Your mind becoming clear and passive as it guides you deeper and deeper into this state. Now I'm going to count from 5 down to 1. And with each number you hear, you can drift deeper down. By the time I reach the number 1, you will have doubled the relaxation that you now feel. And as your body relaxes, your mind follows. 5, relaxation starting to double. 4, more and more. 3, you're becoming so relaxed now. 2, almost doubled your relaxation. And 1, completely doubled down, twice as deep as before. You feel so good. You just keep going deeper as you listen to my voice. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 up to 3 again. And on 3, you can open your eyes. But this time, I want you to stay deeply relaxed. 1, 2, and 3. Opening your eyes but staying focused on my words, and sleep. Let your eyes close again and drop even deeper down. Letting my words relax your mind and your body. Now I'm going to count from 10 all the way down to 0. And by the count of 0, you will have tripled your current state of relaxation. 10, starting to drift down. 9, your mind relaxed and your body relaxed. 8, focused on my words. 7, feeling so good. 6, that's right. 5, halfway there now. 4, feeling so relaxed now that you don't even care what time it is or what day it is. 3, your body limp and loose. 2, almost there now. 1, relaxing down. And 0, your relaxation has completely tripled throughout your entire body. You feel so wonderful as I take you so very deep into this state where your mind and your body are in perfect harmony. Your mind passive, your body heavy, loose and limp. Remembering only what you need to remember and forgetting what you need to forget. Remembering to forget, forgetting to remember. You find that you feel so good that all you care about is how good you feel and how relaxed you feel as you go deeper. So deep now that your body feels numb and heavy, drifting deeper and deeper into relaxation until you gently fall asleep. If you still need additional help falling asleep after listening to this audio, please visit refractivehealing.com to book a free Reiki session so we can help you with this.